Hello everyone, I am Kaan Ateş. I am studying electrical and electronics engineering at Bilkent and I am taking physics 101 lesson. And this is my lesson experiment. And I will measure the pendulum motion period according to the gravitation and different masses. And I will try, I will measure period in this way and in elevator and changing the acceleration. And after I will change the angle by changing the g sine theta. I will get different vertical accelerations. So it will I will observe if it affects this period.
Firstly, I measured the gravitational acceleration through a mobile app. Then I measured the swing radius. To keep center of mass in a fixed point, I adjusted the position of mass after at the other mass. Then I measured the period of pendulum motion and I repeat the experiments for the angles 30 degrees, 45 degrees and 60 degrees. I calculated the periods in elevator while accelerating to the both upward and downward. I measured the periods by examining the recorded videos. In order to compare data, I created the tables and graphs. Changing the weights slightly affect the results because of air friction. Also, I created the graph period values with respect to the square root of 1 over g. As I expected, the relation between them is linear and the slope of the graph gave me 2 pi square root of swing radius. There are some errors caused by experimental equipments such as chronometers and rulers precision, and elevator's acceleration can be improper. Also, there are some errors caused by observation mistakes, such as not being simultaneous with Spears' round finish and my calculation of delta time. Also, there was error by air resistance and there was error since hanging mechanism has mass that affects the position of center of mass. As a result of the experiment, I calculated the period of the pendulum motion. I showed and proved the t equals 2 pi square root of L over g formula. I illustrated that mass doesn't affect the period, and I proved t and square root of 1 over g are directly proportional.